welcome back to Sarai's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making vegetarian burrito. It's easy to make, but it does require some preparation. So let's get started with it. So here I have a pinto beans. We need to cook them. You can boil it or pressure cook it. I have already boiled my beans, so I'm going to start mashing the beans using a potato masher. Here you can also use canned beans, but I personally like making my beans at home. Now here I have a taco seasoning. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning and a red chili powder to give it a little spiciness to the beans. Now mix it all together. Our beans for the burrito is ready, so now let's take a look at other ingredients. Here we have our beans that we just made, guacamole. If you guys need a recipe for guacamole, check a link in the description how to make guacamole. Sour cream, lettuce, tomato, jalapeno, tomato ketchup, hot sauce, and Mexican cheese. And finally, we're gonna need large size flour tortillas. Now lightly warm up tortillas, just enough to make the folding and rolling easier. We do not want to overcook them. Once our tortilla is cooked, we're gonna start assembling the burrito. So we're gonna put everything in the center. First layer of our beans, and then we're gonna put the guacamole layer next to it. And on the other side, we're gonna put some sour cream layer. Now on the top, we're gonna add some lettuce. Some tomato, some jalapenos, Mexican cheese, some ketchup, and hot sauce. Now let's roll up the burrito by folding the sides. And then roll it up tightly. At the last, I'm gonna warm up the burrito and make the tortilla layer a little crunchy. And our homemade vegetarian burrito is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you so much.